Big Brothers Big Sisters held its annual Bowl for Kids' Sake fundraiser at Hilltop Super Bowl in Waxahachie Saturday, February 23rd.
Phillips with Big Brothers Big Sisters. I am helping put on this event to support the kids here in Ellis County. We're a mentoring organization that is all about building those one-to-one relationships, and this is our big fundraiser for the year, and we've had a great turnout. We have some fun competitions between our fire chief and our police chief and their departments, and SAGU and Northwood University, so lots of good things happening here and lots of people out here to support the children.
For the full story, pick up a copy of our print edition or read it online at waxahachie.tx.com. This has been Melissa Cade reporting for the Waxahachie Daily Light.